So yeah, I would again like to request all of our members of this meet, if they want to tell something or discuss something on any of the matter which has been there since the beginning of this meet, they can raise their hand. Mr. Gaurav, do you want to share anything? You raised your hand.
हेलो।
Hi.
हाँ। अच्छा, मुझे ये बोलना था कि स्टूडेंट्स को गाइडेंस करने के लिए उनका नंबर और करंट लोकेशन चाहिए, तो हाउ
We
कैन वी
can
गेट दैट?
yeah, so हाँ, हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम एक गूगल मीट बनाएंगे, और वी कैन अपने लाइक हम उनके साथ बात करेंगे, लाइक ओवर देयर। सो उनके क्लासेस चल रहे हैं अभी। सो वो लोग वहां से ज्वाइन होके आपसे सीधा कांटेक्ट कर
I
सकते हैं।
mean,
सो
it will be better that we can get in Excel, and if possible, we can assign someone to the particular student. So in that way, one student cannot get the guidance from maybe two, three people or like that. Maybe
या
वो ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो भी नज़दीक का स्टूडेंट होगा उसको गाइडेंस देने के लिए तीन चार लोग आ जाएंगे। So before that, एक Excel maintain हो, and someone who are interested can guide that particular student.
सो ओके, सो आई थिंक हम स्कूल को रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि
हाँ,
इफ देयर इज सम
बोरोले
एक्सेल
सर को
स्टेट व्हिच इज
रिक्वेस्ट बोरोले सर को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि वो एक्सेल प्रोवाइड करें उनका करंट लोकेशन एंड मोबाइल नंबर, और जो हमारे एल्यूमिनियम मीट के जो भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है वो उनको असाइन कर देंगे, ये बंदे को लिए ये हमारा एल्यूमिनी गाइडेंस करेगा।
that's a great point. I think I've just noted that point. Yeah. Yeah. So okay, respected Varole sir, are you there on the meet? आप है? सो क्या स्कूल के पास ऐसा कोई डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कि जो बात करता हो कि व्हाट इज द लाइक करंट लोकेशन एंड फोन नंबर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट? हेलो रिस्पेक्टेड बोरोले सर, आर यू देयर?
हम रिस्पॉन्ड करवा नहीं करेंगे।
Okay.
आप माइक कर दें, चल रहा है।
Mr. Rambai wants to add something over there.
Yeah, Gaurav, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Yeah. I'm going continuation with this point. Let's say we have different alumni working in the different fields. बरोबर? They are expert in their fields. આપણે પાસ્ટમાં બી it is our part of alumni activities. જે તમારું suggestion છે, that is we are appreciate your suggestions. એની અંદર going forward જે present student છે એનો with location and contact details, we will get the detail from the principal sir.
Right.
અને એનું જે પણ ગાઈડન્સ જોતું હશે, જે ફિલ્ડમાં જોતું હશે, એ કન્સર્ન ફિલ્ડમાં આપણા જે એલ્યુમિની એક્સપર્ટ હશે, we will forward that query or concern or any guidelines to that particular alumni, so that our alumni can directly interact with that particular student.
Right,
This
right.
is what we can uh, this is what we can do as per your suggestions. I think this is a proper way to approach the individual students.
Right. Thank you.
And there is just one more thing which I will like to end on this point. Like when I talk to students, like मैंने जब बात की उनसे, so क्या हो रहा था उस टाइम पे कि they were also looking for various kind of people in various fields. तो हमने क्या किया कि I of course I what I can do is I can suggest them कि I'm giving you this number of this particular person. If you have any query in this field, you can talk to them over phone. So this is the role of the alumni body who is connected to school. They have to I request all of them, किसी का भी phone आए कुछ भी हो, then I think everyone will be happy to talk. So if I will put up a message in group or Facebook कि this kind of guidance is needed from the student, and then they can talk to that particular person, right? I think that's also a way. And of course we will talk about this location, and that's a great point, and we'll talk to principal sir about this. Thank you.
Can I add something?
Yeah, definitely, Anwar, you can.
Okay. There are two ways There are two ways we can collect additional information for all the alumni students. One way can be like we had developed this website, we just extend it to an app. Nowadays, everybody has a smartphone and they can simply install an app, and we must have a form so where we can collect all the data, and we request everybody to update their warehouse, where they are right now, or what they are doing, what post they are working with, everything, so that it will be regularly updated. And another aspect can be if the app development and things will take time. Temporary, if you want to collect the data, we can create a Google form and we can collect all this alumni information through Google Forms, and we can spread the information to fill the Google form. So these are the 2 points I would like to add here.
Yeah, it's a great point, Anwar. We appreciate your ideas, but just want to brief you that this it is already available in our platform. We have the website. So only thing is needs required is to everybody has to a little bit more aggressive and interested to fill the required data in their website, so that we can get all the required data in our digital platform on a single platform.
Correct.
So
So
yeah, so
the
we are
point I added is the sorry.
sure.
The
So,
point I added is the same. Like we know that
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah, yeah.
platform is
Correct,
available
correct.
on website. The point here is to extend it to a mobile app from
yeah.
a web platform or a
Yeah,
website.
I think there are lots of great software engineers in our so if they can come forward and take up a call that we will do that. So yeah, that's a great thing which we can do.
Yeah, it's a open conversation session. Huh?
Rambhai,
Anybody can raise their hand and yeah, yeah,
Rambhai, this is Vaibhav Gandhi. I
yeah,
think,
yeah. Good morning, Vaibhav. Yeah.
yeah. See, right now we are providing the solutions, everything online, right? But
Yeah.
just before 2 minutes, Borole sir has shared and Akash has shared that students are not being online right now.
Mm.
I think that is a critical problem. Once they'll start being an online, then every possible solutions we can do.
Sir, yeah, good. Appreciate your suggestions, Vaibhav. And for this only, we have discussed with the principal sir also. Ki considering the today's scenario, we have extended our help to the student also for the study purpose. That is the ultimately student has to share their idea through online with the help of mobile phones. Okay, Android mobile phones. The student which is not capable to join because of their financial issue, we have extended our help also. So this is the only way we can connect the student online. If there
Rambhai,
is another way, you can
as per
suggest.
my view,
Yeah,
problem is not right now, problem is not with the mobile phone or something. It is with attitude towards online teaching learning process. Generally, this is everywhere. I am in teaching field in higher education. This is everywhere that happens, right? Students are not turning up more for online teaching learning process. Now for these students in the village area, they are not going to get any such type of help, right? They have to come online. Now, strategy can be, instead of passing message to all 60, it can be a group of small group, and you need to convince them that be online whenever message is there.
yeah, I agree. I appreciate. In this matter, I would like to invite our principal sir and seeking some help from him, that if he can help us by providing the data of the student presently, which are in 10th and 12th, in any way, in the group wise or class wise, it's up to principal sir. We also involve ourselves. Basically, it is between teachers and the students. What you are saying, that
Yes, yes.
how we can improve the involvement of the student. That is our ultimately objective. Okay. So definitely we will seeking help of principal sir, and definitely we will from the alumni part we will definitely involve in this, and try to engage more student as you suggested, as you convinced. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And are there more ways which you can suggest to motivate students to get online more? Because in the higher education, I think if they are motivated, they will directly come. But the students, like school students, needed to be pushed, or some sort of motivation or drive is needed. So can you suggest some points which can make them?
Yes, definitely. Right now, when every school or college is what they are doing, they are sharing a message to everybody, right? But right now, situation is such, we need to break the psychological barrier that online teaching is not worth. Fine. And for that, in a small group can be counseled, right? Even with the parents need to talk. See, I'm talking about the strategies that school should apply actually, right? But here we are supposed to help our school. That's why we are discussing here.
Yeah, we will definitely extend our help through the principal, sir. This is our only ultimately objective. Vaibhav, we got your point and definitely we will work on that.
Yes, definitely.
Or anybody else share something or any ideas to improve our activity?
Yes, good morning. This is Khima
Good
Rudaj,
morning,
second
Khima.
batch.
Yeah, good morning.
હવે કાલે જ મેં છે એક બે સ્ટુડન્ટ અહીંયા ઇન્ટરેક્ટ થયેલો 12th નો સ્ટુડન્ટ હતો એક બે હતા તો એ જે એટીટ્યુડ છે એટીટ્યુડ એટલે મેં એ લોકોને પૂછ્યું મેં કીધું તમે લોકો ઓનલાઈન રોજ અટેન્ડ કરતા હશો ને તો એ લોકોનો આન્સર મને એવું મળ્યું કે આપણા જે ટીચર છે એ બરોબર નથી ભણાવતા અમે એકેડેમિક અને બીજા બે ત્રણ કીધું કે એના લેક્ચર ઈ કે રેગ્યુલર એટેન્ડ કરીએ છીએ આપણા નથી કરતા.
So this is the case of JNV Jamnagar or JNV Dwarka, Kimbhai?
ના ના JNV જામનગર કેમ કે 12th ના સ્ટુડન્ટ હતા એટલે એ જામનગરના હતા અને અહીંયા કલ્યાણપુરમાં મારી પાસે મળવા આવ્યા હતા એમ.
We will note at this point. We will discuss offline with the principal sir and yourself as far as particular student is concerned. Definitely, we will try to resolve and going into the detail what is the root cause of.
And yeah, for that also we need like person-to-person counseling as Dr. Vaibhav said. So yeah, I think that's the way to go. Do personal-to-person counseling.
Yeah. Anybody else?
Hi, Mr. Piyulesh, you want to add something? Mr. Piyulesh, are you there? Yeah. Hi. If you, Mr. Piyulesh, તમે કંઈ કહો છો તો અમને સંભળાતું નથી, તમારે અનમ્યુટ કરવું પડશે. Okay. કોઈ બીજાને કંઈ
કોઈને પણ કાંઈ પણ suggestions, anything, please raise your hands. We can unmute them and we can hear him. Yeah, વનરાજ બાપુ કંઈ કહેવા માંગો છો? અનમ્યુટ કરો. અનમ્યુટ કરો વનરાજ બાપુ તમારું મ્યુટ. We are not able to hear you. તમે બોલો છો એ સંભળાતું નથી.
માઇક ચાલુ કરો.
માઇક ચાલુ કરો તમારું. હા હવે બોલો.
નથી તમે સંભળાતા નથી, તમારું માઇક રેડ ચાલુ કરવું પડશે.
Rama, let me add something.
હેલો. હા બોલો.
આપણે છે ને જામનગરમાં સેન્ટરમાં શોરૂમ છે બરાબર. તો જો કોઈ છોકરાઓને બુક્સ માટે કે કોઈ અલિયાબાડા જવાનો પ્રોબ્લેમ થતો હોય અને કોઈ ઇમ્પોર્ટેડ બુક્સ હોય તો ગાડીમાં બધી ભરીને હું અહીંયા શોરૂમે રાખી શકું છું અને જે કોઈને જોતી હોય અહીંયાથી કલેક્ટ કરે ને અહીંયા જ પાછી મૂકી જાય એ પ્રોવિઝન કરવું હોય તો એ જે લાઇબ્રેરી માટે પણ હું એક જગ્યા ફાળવી શકું છું શોરૂમમાં.
ઠીક છે. Good initiation, Dharmesh. Appreciate your ideas. We have noted down. Okay, we will discuss mutually and definitely if the requirement is there, we will definitely do this. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Hi everyone.
Hi, Mr.
It's Devanshi.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. એકચ્યુઅલી જે આપણે ઓનલાઈન ક્લાસીસ માટે છે એમાં એક સજેશન હતું કે આપણે મતલબ એજ્યુકેશનલ એક્ટિવિટી જોડે મતલબ લાઈક એક્સ્ટ્રા કરિક્યુલમ એક્ટિવિટી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ઓનલાઈન, તો મતલબ મે બી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે એ વધારે મતલબ ઓનલાઈન પ્રત્યે જોઈન કરશે. મતલબ લાઈક ખાલી એજ્યુકેશનલ આપણે કરશું એના, તો પીપલ આર લાઈક સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને કેવું હોય કે એક માઇન્ડ સેટઅપ હોય કે ભાઈ ઓનલાઈન છે તો એ લોકો મતલબ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીને મારો જ ભાઈ છે અત્યારે 12th છે, તો એ લોકોને ઓનલાઈન હોય છે ત્યારે મતલબ જનરલી એવું કરે છે કે ભાઈ જોઈન કરીને મોબાઈલ મૂકીને જતા રહે. બટ જો એની જોડે મતલબ લાઈક તમે કોઈ બી ફન લવિંગ એક્ટિવિટી બી જોડે કરશો કે ભાઈ એજ્યુકેશનની જોડે કંઈક પ્રેક્ટિકલ બી કંઈક આપણે એને સજેસ્ટ કરી શકીએ કે ભાઈ તમે કોઈ બી પ્રેક્ટિકલ એક્ટિવિટી કરો, યા તો સાયન્સના કોઈ બી પ્રોજેક્ટ છે તો એને પ્રેક્ટિકલ કરો, તો મે બી એ વધારે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ બની શકે ઓનલાઈન માટે.
કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર સજેશન જે તમે આપવા માંગતા હો કે આ આપણે ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરી શકીએ?
ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટમાં તો મતલબ લાઈક જો સાયન્સ
You can take your time, and if you want to prepare something like that, and you can share with in the group, if you want to have some ideas which you want to write down and share with all of us.
Okay, yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, Anwar, you want to say something? Darshak, Sachin, Gaurav, anybody?
Yes, sir. I will agree with the madam, sir.
One at a time, please.
Okay.
One at a time.
I was muted. Okay. Shall I?
Yeah, okay. Anwar bhai, go ahead.
Okay. The point here I wanted to say is that sometimes when it is an online education, it is very difficult to arrange effectively some co-curricular activities. And especially for the students of class 10th or 12th like that, their focus should be on academics only. So what we can think of is we can create something like some kind of voluntarily motivational talk shows between ex-alumni, like ours, okay? How we did, like we didn't had any chance to think about any tuitions or anything. We focus everything on the classes only, and that's in the end how we achieved what we have achieved today. So if we can arrange something like a talk show where which can be some session like this, where we encourage the existing student to participate with the alumni, and we try to share our thoughts and experience both to motivate them. So those kind of talk shows, maybe once in a 15 days, may help. And every time we need not have a bigger audience. The speaker may be 1 or 2 or 3, not more than that. So that will be more like an effective interaction, and whatever they are feeling, they will be able to express. And if we are able to help them to counsel, so that's an idea.
Yeah, like this was the session that I had earlier this year, and I request all of you to come forward and we can arrange a session. Yeah, Mr. Gaurav, go ahead.
Yeah, I think I am agree with Anwar bhai, because હવે ટાઈમ નથી કે એ લોકોને સ્ટુડન્ટને બોલાવવાનો કે ભાઈ તમે ઓનલાઈન ક્લાસ અટેન્ડ કરો ને. હવે એ લોકો પાસે માંડ 2 થી 2.5 મહિના હશે. આફ્ટર દેટ દે હેવ ટુ ગો ફોર ધ એક્ઝામ. સો ધ બેસ્ટ વે ઇઝ ટુ મોટિવેટ ધેમ, એન્ડ જ્યાં પણ એ લોકોને પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે છે, કોઈ પણ એક સબ્જેક્ટ હશે કોઈ પણ, સો વી કેન સે ધેમ દેટ કે તમે આ રીતે મહેનત કરો તો તમે કવર કરી શકશો. So I think I agree with
Gaurav,
that.
Yeah. You are absolutely right. What we will do, after near future, within 10-15 days, we will fix up the schedule through principal sir to our students, and from our alumni side, we will 2-3 volunteers will definitely converse with the students on this topic. Okay.
Mr. Darshak, go ahead.
Yes, Mr. Akash. આ વખતે મતલબ એવું છે કે કોન્ટેક્ટ કરવો બધાને વધારે અઘરો છે, જ મેઇન પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. બાકી તો તમે આવ્યા હતા, મતલબ અમે બી તમને જો ઇન્સ્પાયર થયા જી એલ્યુમિની મીટમાં જ આ વખતે હોય તો આઈ સજેસ્ટ કે યુટ્યુબમાં કઈ તમે પોતાનું મતલબ આવું જનરલ ટોક જે અમે તમને પૂછતા એવું તમને ખબર હોય કે શું સ્ટુડન્ટને પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય એવું કાંઈક વિડીયો મૂકી તો પછી આપણે શેર કરીને કદાચ એ લોકો પાસે પહોંચે તો મોસ્ટ ઓફ ક્વેરી એની ક્લિયર થઈ જાય. મતલબ સબ્જેક્ટ રિલેટેડ તમને ખબર હશે તો તમે બી ટેન્શનમાં હતા હું પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય.
Yeah, so yeah, I would like to add over here કે દર્શક હમણાં જ પાસ આઉટ થયેલો, like 2020 માં પાસ આઉટ થયેલો એલ્યુમિની છે. તો like recent batches knows the situation very well કે શું problem થઈ શકે. So this is a absolutely good suggestion કે we can create YouTube videos to talk
Yeah,
to
but
students.
3 to 4 persons are always in contact with me of the 12th class. So they are talking, but others no contact. ના friends સાથે કે મતલબ એવું વધારે છે આ વખતે.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
Yeah, thanks Darshak.
Mr. Sachin Bhatt
there
want to
can
say
be
something?
Sorry, Mr. Gaurav. Yeah.
Yeah, so there can be two kind of video. One should be what to study, which can be delivered by the recent alumni, like Darshak and all. And there should be second video in which alumni like Anwar Bhai and all. So he can say that how to study. Like Anwar Bhai said that at our time we are not having any tuition classes and all. So we have to learn by our own self only. So there can be two kind of video.
મતલબ આઈ જસ્ટ સેઇંગ કે અત્યારે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બહુ ડિસ્ટ્રેક્ટ થઈ શકે કારણ કે ટીચર સામે ના હોય ઘરે હોય એટલે અને પાછું લોકડાઉન ને ફેસ થયું તો બધાના માઇન્ડ સેટઅપ ચેન્જ થઈ ગયા.
Of course. Yeah.
એટલે આઈ જસ્ટ સજેસ્ટિંગ કે થોડોક ટેકનિક્સ કે હું આકાશ મતલબ જે બી ભણી ગયા છે પોતાનું કેમ કરતા કેટલા કલાક કઈ રીતના મતલબ બોર થાય તો શું કરતા એ જસ્ટ સો there is some they get get boost to study.
Yeah, got your point. Definitely, we will interact with the student through principal sir. Definitely, we will do as per your suggestions. Okay.
Mr. Sachin Bhatt, you want to add something over here? So of course, so this alumni meet time is of course limited, and I just want to add a point over here. Okay, there has been lots of things which we want to discuss, which can come out when we discuss stuff. Ek baar mein, like we can't talk out everything. So what I would suggest is keep a touch with all of your school friends, all of your batchmates, and discuss what we can do. And after the discussions, only things will come out. As few things have popped out right now. So why alumni meet, we didn't see each other. So what we can do, arrange a group conference after this meet, talk to your batchmates, and have fun and discuss things. That's the only suggestion I would like to give from myself. Let's discuss and come up with more things, and let's talk in the group.